In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use epics on a Jira Scrum Board. By the end, you'll feel confident creating an epic, adding work to it, and tracking its progress, all from the familiar Scrum backlog and board views. Start by opening your Scrum project or space in Jira. From the left sidebar, click Backlog. This view shows everything planned or in progress, and on the left side, you'll see the epics panel. That panel is your hub for creating and managing larger initiatives that tie multiple stories and tasks together. If you don't have an epic yet, click Create Epic. Give it a clear, action-oriented name and a concise description so your team understands the goal and scope at a glance. For example, you might name it Website Redesign Project and describe it as Improve Homepage, Mobile Layout, and Loading Speed. Keep the description focused on outcomes so it guides prioritization without becoming a dumping ground for details. When you're happy with it, click Create. Next, connect your existing work to the epic. Open your backlog issues so you can see the list of stories and tasks. The quickest way is to drag issues straight into the epic in the epics panel. If you prefer to be precise, open an issue and set the epic field manually. Either method links the issue to the epic so it's included in planning, filtering, and reporting. Use epics to group related stories and tasks that contribute to a single, larger goal. This helps keep your backlog organized and makes sprint planning easier because you can pull in the next most valuable pieces from a single initiative. To focus, click an epic in the panel to filter the backlog to only its related issues. This gives you a clean view of just the work that rolls up to that epic, which is especially useful for grooming and prioritizing. Track epic progress from the backlog or your Scrum board. Jira will show progress as issues move from to do to in progress to done, so you can quickly gauge how close you are to completion. Use this view during stand-ups or reviews to keep the team aligned on what remains. When all related work is completed, mark the epic as done. This signals that the goal has been achieved and helps keep your epics list tidy for future planning. Remember, epics are best used for large goals that contain multiple tasks or stories, not for one-off items. That's it. With these steps, you can create meaningful epics, link the right work, and keep progress visible end to end.